Hey guys, welcome to Get Inspired Spiritually. In our previous episode, we learnt about different types of karma based on their periods of existence. We also learnt methods to write off karmas. Today, we are going to learn about different types of karmas based on their very nature. Also, we will learn about sanskaras, methods to write off old unwanted sanskaras. At the end, we will have a Q&A session. Great! Based on the nature of inherence, karmas can be classified into three types. Number 1. Sattvic karmas. These are the karmas that enables us to transcend spiritually and pacify Lord Vishnu. As given in Vishnu Sahasranama, Lord Vishnu is referred to as Sat. Sattvic karmas are the ones which relieve us from the continuous cycle of death and rebirth. Sattvic karmas are also referred to as Sat karmas. Higher the Satkarmas we do, better would be our spiritual progress. Sattvic karmas does good to the universe without harming anyone, including Mother Nature. Sattvic karmas ensure what we call as the common good. Sattvic deeds seems very difficult to do at the beginning, but in the end they give eternal bliss. Sattvic nature is characterized by sensual control and righteousness. Example, practicing meditation, being service to others, so on. Thinking good for others is also a sattvic karma. This will be returned back to you with interest. However, stop expecting. Keep thinking good. Keep doing good. Wish good for others. Don't expect anything from outside. Instead, focus on inside. Everything attracts towards you. Broadly speaking, any deed that serves the universe, pacified Lord Vishnu and demigods, and assists the one in spiritual transcendence and in attaining nirvana is considered to be a sattvic karma. To attain nirvana, one must develop sattvic habits and do more sattvic karmas. Metaphysically speaking, satkarmas or sattvic karmas represent and attract positive energy, or doing sattvic karmas increases your positive vibrations. It strengthens your aura. In turn, it increases all types of health: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Type 2. Rajasic karma. People generally refer to good or bad deeds, but these are at the extreme ends. There is something in between these two. That's Rajasic or Rajasa karma. Rajasic nature is characterized by hedonism. Rajasic karma refers to those deeds that are done with the intention of satisfying our sensual pleasures, as opposed to sattvic karmas. Rajasic karmas doesn't incur us sins, but if we continuously do it and exceed the limit, it could turn into sins or tamasic karmas. There is a thin line of gap between Rajasic karmas and tamasic karmas. Example, it's okay to watch movie once in a while, but if you do it every day without doing any other work, we are violating our code of conduct and we are actually deceiving our duties, and in fact in turn deceiving our God. It becomes a sin or turns tamasic. That's why we should be conscious of what we do all time. Rajasic karmas will be very exciting in the beginning. There is a sense of delusion that you will be very happy after doing or enjoying those pleasures. But after some time, or after at the end, you get bored or you realize it produces the same results, and gradually the satisfaction averages out. Albert Einstein says, insanity is doing the same things again and again, expecting different results. In Bhagavata, sage Vedavyasa, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, says, you don't have to work too hard just to enjoy sensual pleasures. Even swines enjoy them. Instead, perform penance. This purifies your existence and you will attain my abode, that is salvation. Metaphysically speaking, Rajasic karmas doesn't attract neither positive nor negative energy, but still you lose some positive energy as a resultant of putting efforts to enjoy sensual pleasures. Coming to type 3 karma, tamasic karma. These are the karmas that are harmful to us and also harmful to the universe. Tamas is a Sanskrit word which means darkness. Tamasic karmas, right from the inception till the end, it creates delusion and results in grave sufferings. It has tragic consequences. It has tragic consequences and results in spiritual descendants. All sorts of evil deeds come under the umbrella of tamasic karmas. The divine law of karma governs the universe. It's beyond human conception and horizons. We may try to understand it under the guidance of scriptures and gurus, but still, large parts of it are unknown to everyone. We enjoy because of sattvic karmas and suffer because of tamasic karmas. But to attain nirvana, there shouldn't be any karmas at all. Metaphysically speaking, tamasic karmas attracts negative energy. They weaken the aura and degrades one's health. It causes spiritual descendants. Any person who wants to attain nirvana can't afford for tamasic or evil deeds. Any evil deed can be taken as an example of tamasic karma or deed. Great. What are sanskaras? Buddha beautifully defines sanskaras. What we repeatedly do is what constitutes sanskaras. Sanskaras are stains of karma that are left behind even after writing off karmas. We have carried over from our millions of incarnations or past lives. We have carried sanskaras from our millions of incarnations, and we have millions of sanskaras. We also pick up sanskaras from the environment we are born in. Parents play a pivotal role in making the child pick up sanskaras. Then comes the friends, teachers, and so on. Karmas get written off in the process of death and rebirth, but irony is sanskaras won't. That's one of the reasons why we repeat the same karmas. As we repeatedly do the same karmas, good or bad, rajasic or anything, more karmas get accredited to our account. Sanskaras can be classified again as sattvic, rajasic and tamasic sanskaras. Sanskaras basically represent our daily habits. It can be in the form of thinking, what we do, what we earn, what we do to earn our living, or it can be any sort of behavior that what we are exhibiting on a day-to-day basis. The person who wants to attain nirvana essentially needs to develop sattvic or good sanskaras. Mindfulness meditation is one of the best ways to write off sanskaras. It is observed that mindfulness conjures up all the old previous incarnation thoughts, karmas, sanskaras and so on. It nullifies bad sanskaras and keeps only the relevant sanskaras as active sanskaras. The other way is to develop sattvic sanskaras or sattvic habits. As we write off sanskaras and replace with sattvic sanskaras, it becomes easier for us to be more detached from the worldly affairs, attain nirvana ultimately. Hey, thanks for staying with us till here. One of our viewers had asked a very good question. It's a common issue or dilemma faced by all those people who meditate regularly. Let us study the question first. Thank you for this video. I have a question. I have been meditating regularly for more than 2 years. However, I seem to have reached a plateau since past few months. Where could I be going wrong? How do I progress spiritually? Okay. Humans are judgmental. People work for some time and expect quick results. People get discouraged and they quit. One shouldn't forget that easier anything comes, easier it goes. You can't expect quick results with meditation or anything that permanently relieves you from this vicious and painful cycle of death and rebirth. Definitely you are on the right path. You need to keep practicing meditation or other rituals regularly. You should be detached from the results, and when the right time comes, results will come automatically. People who learnt meditation from us did for a few days. Then they quit. One needs to keep persisting for longer periods to get great results. You shouldn't judge anything quickly. You need to stay with the process long enough to get the results. Meditation should be a part of your lifestyle, like eating, sleeping, and so on. Metaphysically, as previously explained, meditation is the process to write off karmas and sanskaras. Some people quickly get the results in meditation, but some don't even see tangible results even after many years of practice. Why it is like this? Meditation actually opens up different layers of your past life karmas and sanskaras. One needs to understand we all have different quantum of karmas and sanskaras. The person who got quicker results had actually meditated for longer periods of time in many of his incarnation. All that came back to him in this incarnation. So is true with chakra activation. For some, chakras get activated so quickly. For some, it takes years. Each chakra activation represent mind purification at different levels. Mind has to be purified. It should be free from the impediments of sanskaras and karmas. This stage of purity is called nirvana. We will make a video on chakras and Kundalini awakening in the coming days. So please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive further updates. Great. One shouldn't forget that with respect to meditation or Kundalini Dhyan, the results may be slow for some, but definitely they are on the way, and this is the permanent solution to all of your sufferings. You should also remember that even if there isn't any tangible results from meditation, still there is spiritual progress. We urge all those spirituals to consistently and continually practice meditation and other rituals. Please don't worry about results. Karma is going around and it will be back to you in the form of spiritual transcendence and nirvana ultimately. Please feel free to ask any questions related to meditation, philosophy, or anything. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Pressing the like button will make this video reach to many people. Please support our mission. Hope this inspires you. Thank you so much for watching.